Renovating your bathroom on a budget ideas. Renovating a bathroom can be an exciting project, but it can also be quite expensive. However, there are several budget-friendly ideas that can help you give your bathroom a fresh new look without breaking the bank. Here are some ideas for renovating your bathroom on a budget. Paint the walls and cabinets. One of the easiest and most affordable ways to give your bathroom a fresh new look is by painting the walls and cabinets. A new coat of paint can transform the entire room, and it's a project that can be completed in a weekend. Choose a color that complements the existing fixtures and decor in the room. Replace the hardware. Replacing the hardware in your bathroom can also make a big difference in the overall look of the space. Consider swapping out the old faucets, shower heads, towel bars, and drawer pulls for new ones. This is a relatively inexpensive project that can give your bathroom a modern and updated look. Install new lighting. Updating the lighting in your bathroom can also make a big impact. Consider installing new fixtures or replacing old bulbs with energy-efficient LED bulbs. This can improve the overall lighting in the room and create a brighter and more inviting space. Add some artwork. Adding some artwork to your bathroom can also give it a fresh new look. Consider hanging a painting or photograph on the wall or adding some decorative prints to the room. This is an inexpensive way to add some personality and style to your bathroom. Use affordable materials. When renovating your bathroom on a budget, it's important to choose affordable materials. Consider using ceramic tiles instead of expensive marble or granite, and choose affordable countertops and cabinets. This can help you save money while still achieving the look you want. Do it yourself. Finally, consider doing some of the work yourself. There are many DIY projects that can help you save money on your bathroom renovation. Consider painting the walls and cabinets, installing new hardware, or replacing the lighting fixtures yourself. In conclusion, renovating your bathroom on a budget doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a little creativity and some budget-friendly ideas, you can transform your bathroom into a fresh, new space that you'll love. Use these ideas as a starting point and let your imagination run wild. Happy renovating!